Yo, my people, it's HBFS and it's your boy Steve. I'm super excited to be back here on the channel. And in today's video, I want to talk about two ways to trade trend lines. If you've not watched our video on how to draw trend lines like a pro, kindly click on the link that is showing in the screen now so that you can watch that video. And after knowing how to draw trend lines, the second thing that you have to know is how to trade using the trend lines. So in this video, I want to show you two ways you can trade using the trend line. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back again to the channel. Before we proceed, if this is your first time watching our YouTube content, kindly hit on the subscribe button. And if you loved our videos, smash like buttons. That is one way to appreciate what we are doing. And also do it to drop your comments in the comment section. We actually observe and look through the comment section. And if there's any video you want us to make in the future, kindly let us know. So let's get started. Two ways to draw trend lines. First, we have to identify the trend. As you can see here, we see that here is a lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we know that it's an uptrend. So what we do is we pull out the trend tool and drag it. Remember, in drawing trend line, we just need minimum of two swing high or two peak or two trough. So we have our first trough, we have our second trough. So all we have to do is just drag it down. All we have to do is we just drag it down, drag it down. Okay, guys. So all we have to do is drag it down. So here is our trend line. First touch, second touch, and third touch, price bands of the trend line. So now, how do we trade the trend line? There are basically two ways you can trade the trend line. The first one is the bands of the trend line. And as we can see here, we'll be able to pull out this one and this one. This was the trend line. And then what happened? We have to watch out for, the first way is to watch out for rejection at the trend line the next time price approaches the trend line. So this is the first time price actually approaches, and this is the second time. So this was the two swing low we use in drawing the trend line. Now the third time price came to the trend line, here it is. So this is the third time price came to the trend line. Now the first way to trade the trend line is to watch for a bounce of the trend line. Once price approach the trend line, you have to watch for candlestick rejection patterns or watch out for weak rejection patterns at the trend line. Once we see price reacting and rejecting to the trend line, then we can option in for a buy. And in these cases, if we want to buy this market, this would have been our entry, and our stop loss was just going to be here. So this is going to be our, it's a good risk to reward trade, risking so this is the trade here. We're just risking 22 pips to make 104 pips. It's 1:4, 1:4, almost 1:5. So this is one way to trade trend line. Watch out, let me remove this. You have to watch out for rejection at the trend line. You watch out for rejection once price approaches the trend line. Watch out for rejection and place your stop loss just below the trend line. This one, and if you have taken this trade, you have taken this trade, would have really been in profit, guys. So the second way to trade using the trend line is to wait for a breakout of the trend line. And notice what happened here, guys. Notice what happened here. Here price bounced off the trend line, we took our entry, And here we notice that when price get to this trend line, there was no rejection here, and then price broke through the trend line. Now once there is a break of trend line, you don't just rush in and trade and sell the market or buy the market. We have to wait for the market to retest the broken trend line. So this is the second way to trade a trend line. Wait for a retest of the broken trend line. This is the second way to trade it. So here in this case, GU market broke the trend line. Here to respected, second respected, third we enter this position and bought, took our profit. Third time, fourth time, price actually breached the trend line. Now this is not something new. Once price tests a trend line for three times, the fourth time and fifth time, price is most likely gonna break that trend line. So as in this case, price actually broke this trend line, and then we have to wait for a retest of the trend line. And here, after breaking the trend line for about a day, for about 12 hours, price came back retesting the trend line. So once we find price retesting the trend line, we can actually pull down to a lower time frame and watch out how price is reacting to the trend line and pull our trigger. And in this case, what we would have done here is to enter the market here, and this is going to be our stop loss, and this is going to be our take profit level. So what happened, guys? What happened? See what happened, guys? The market broke, retested, and went down. So this is the second way to trade the trend line. Wait for a break out of the trend line, and then wait for a retest. Once market break the trend line, wait for market to retest the trend line and watch out for rejection at the trend line. And as in this case, we saw that there was a break here of the trend line and market kept on rejecting, first rejection, second rejection. So we enter for a sell, and place our stop loss just above this week here, and target here as our take profit. And what happened, guys? The market went down to our entry. So it's easy, guys. I don't want this video to be long, so this is just a short video on how to trade a trend line. I hope you find the video interesting. Let us know in the comment section what you think about the video. If you want us to make any video, still let us comment it in the comment section. We'll read through it and do the needful. Alright, guys, this is HBFS, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share to your social media as well. It's your boy Stevano, and I'll be signing out right now, guys. Peace.